In the highly important and heavily regulated worlds of insurance, underwriters act as investigators who assess the available resources of their company in conjunction with the needs of their company's customers. In this video, we'll take a look at what underwriters are and why they're important. Let's get started. In simple terms, an underwriter is a risk manager. They stand guard at the company's metaphorical money vault and determine who can safely take from its contents, under what circumstances, and how much they can take before the company risks becoming unstable. With insurance, a consumer approaches the vault when they submit an application to their chosen insurance company. The application is basically the consumer walking up to the underwriter guard and saying, "I'd like to use the money in this vault if something happens to me, and here are the reasons why you should let me." The underwriter then examines their application, runs a detailed investigation to determine if what they say is true, and either denies them or allows them access to the money in the vault. For a more real-world example, let's walk through a basic property insurance scenario. Amelia is applying for homeowners insurance. She sends in an application asking for $1 million in coverage in the event that her home is destroyed by a natural disaster. Her home is located in New England, where tornadoes, floods, earthquakes, and hurricanes are rare. And so the chance that the insurance company will ever have to give her that $1 million is almost non-existent. Because the risk she presents is so low, the underwriter accepts her application. Amelia will pay monthly bills to keep her coverage active, which the insurance company will pocket and use to run their business, confident that they're making money from her premiums and won't have to send her anything later down the line. Here's another scenario. James is applying for health insurance. He's in his mid-30s, has never been to the emergency room, doesn't suffer from any chronic conditions, maintains a healthy weight, keeps active, and attends his yearly checkups. However, James has recently developed a smoking habit, so the future of his health is at risk. The underwriter looking over his application will weigh all the factors that contribute to his health against all the factors that endanger his health. After a thorough investigation, the underwriter determines that the insurance company can't accept his application because smoking directly causes conditions like cancer, emphysema, and strokes, all of which would cost the insurance company too much money in medical bills should he get sick, which is highly likely. The underwriter knows that the company shouldn't take on the risk of accepting his application, since James could potentially require expensive procedures later in life. That said, underwriters do much more than approve or deny applications. In their risk assessments, they also evaluate and amend contract terms on a case-by-case basis, tailoring each policy and its price to fit the client's profile. They also revisit client information regularly to loop in new data in their case. Underwriting isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing relationship between applicant and the company. Things need to be verified continuously. So, why do app underwriters matter so much? Underwriters help keep companies financially stable. By carefully assessing and pricing the risks of the clients they take on, the company can confidently pay the claims of clients in need without worrying about going under. They make sure that enough money is being made through client premiums, deductibles, and other payments so they can provide monetary assistance to clients with destroyed homes, chronic illnesses, and more. All in all, underwriters play a crucial role in gauging risk, facilitating the flow of capital, and maintaining the stability of their associated markets. Whether you see an underwriter as a risk manager or an armored guard at a high-security vault, they exist to protect the company's assets while also protecting as many consumers as possible. If you're curious about how underwriters impact you and your insurance situation, give us a call today at 888-539-1633. And as always, if you're interested in empowering yourself and taking control of your situation, subscribe to our channel and put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. Thanks, everyone.